it's usually a kind of a bad idea to just like go at it at 200% and like burn yourself out.
You have these mentors out there, these people out there, especially in this so-called hustle culture. They say you have to go all in, you have to quit your day job and go all in, burn the boats and do that. And there's something really sexy about that, for sure. But my coach actually always told me, keep your part-time job as long as you possibly can. Only if the possibilities and the opportunities become so much that you know that you can't really hold your part-time job down, then give it up, but not before. Keep it as long as possible. So actually the 180-degree opposite. And I think it makes a lot of sense because it gives me, having all these different revenue streams and just pillars that you have as an artist or as a person even. Just I can say no easier to things I don't want to do. If something goes really wrong in one field, I still have the other field to fall back on. So it gives me a good, at least, feeling of security, and I think also actual security.
Do you think that is part of him being in the Netherlands, being like in Europe?
I also think it's a personality thing. Also, how, I know for myself that just going all in and quitting everything else to 100% focus on one thing might not even be the smartest idea. It seems to me that having a bit of a more balanced approach, for me, I think is better. But I'm pretty sure that, some people out there, they want that laser focus, and there is something to be said about laser focus for sure.
Hey there, if you enjoyed this clip, click here to watch the full conversation. And if you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. It would mean a lot. All right, thank you so much and have a great day.